What's up, guys? Sonny the Badger here, coming to you from the Badger's Den today with this week's DIY project. So my project today is to replace the oil in the primary. Pretty quick, pretty easy, so it should be a really short video. A couple of disclaimers. First disclaimer, you're going to see me using like a cordless impact. I do not recommend you do that unless you absolutely are confident in what you're doing, because you can tweak things, you can break things, and you can have overall headaches. So do as I say, not as I do, because you'll see me using it in the video here. And guys, always refer to your owner's manual or your service manual as to how much fluid, what fluid to use, also what the torque specs are for all your drain and all your bolts that you're putting in. So those are my disclaimers, and let's get the primary oil changed on this silver bike and get to rolling. Let's do it. Alright guys, so to change the primary oil, it's pretty simple. There's an Allen underneath here, and then you'll take off this cover right here, and that's where you fill it up at. I'll also show you a trick when filling it up, so that you don't have to buy the special. They make a special funnel for this, but I've got a trick I'll show you that will keep you from having to do that. Let's get her changed. I like to break it loose without the pan underneath it. That just gives me more room. Then I slide the pan in underneath it. Pull out your drain plug, clean off all the little pieces of shavings and all off of it. This also takes a little O-ring. You can see that green O-ring there. So you're supposed to replace that every time, or I just inspect it. If it looks to be in good shape, then I won't replace it. I'll just reuse it again. Then you just take these bolts right here out. There's 5 of them. I always leave the top one in loosely, see how it holds my, then I can just push it in. Pull that out, pop this off. Yet again, I will just inspect this and reuse it. Once the oil's all drained, put your drain plug back in. not very tight. Check your owner's manual or your service manual to find out exactly what the torque on that is. And now you're ready to fill it up. Alright guys, be sure to check your owner's manual for what fluid you need to put in here and how much you need to put in here. But here's my trick of the day, or tip of the day. Off the top of like a Lucas oil stabilizer, they have these lids with nipples. And so you can take the nipple, stick it right in here, and then just squeeze the oil in. No need for any kind of special equipment, tools. There you go. All filled up. Now just button her back up and you're ready to rock. I always start like I ended. Put that top one in. That lets it hang so I can line up the other holes. Again, check and see exactly what torque you need on those. I tighten them like that, but I'll go around and tighten them by hand before I'm all done. And that's it. Super easy. Alright guys, so we just finished up changing the primary oil on the silver bike here. I am going to go test ride it and make sure that everything is good. And if you guys got some good information from this video, please like the video, please share the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring that bell so that you can continue to know all the latest videos we put out. Again, thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's not about the destination, it's all about the ride. See you next time.